Preview.
Hello guys, and welcome again to the basic learning. In the last two videos I have discussed with you the chapter compound interest and without using formula on yearly basis and on half yearly basis. Both I have done. If you have not seen the video, please check it out first and then see this video. Now I will tell you the questions related to using formula. Okay, so let's start the video. Suppose we are doing a question related to using formula. The formula will be, that is A equal P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Let me tell you the units. A means amount, P means principal, R means rate, and the N means number of years. So we are supposed to do the questions related to this formula. Now I will tell you how to solve the questions related to this formula. Now suppose a principal is rupees 100, rate is 10%, and the time duration is 2 years. So now we have to apply this formula. Okay, so we have to find the amount here and then the compound interest if it is being asked. So amount equal, principal is 100, rate is 10%, and number of years are 2. Zero cancel by 0. Taking the LCM, 10 1 is 10 plus 1, 11 upon 10 whole square. 100 into, you all know that the square of 11 is 121 and 10 is 100. So zeros cancel by zeros and amount is rupees 121. Now we will calculate the compound interest, that is final amount minus original principal. Final amount is 121 and our original principal was 100 rupees. So our compound interest is 21 rupees. I hope this example is clear to you. Now I will take another example. Now I will take another question, that is principal equal 625 rupees, rate is 4%, time duration is 2 years. We are supposed to apply the formula here, A equal P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Here A means amount, P means principal, R means rate, and the N means number of times, that is duration of years. Time duration, sorry. Now we will apply this formula, that is amount equal, principal is 625, bracket 1 plus rate is 4% upon 100, and the number of years are 2. So let's solve the question. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So here 25 1s are 25, taking the LCM, 25 1s are 25 and 1 is 26. That means 25 1s are 25 plus 1, that is 26 upon 25 whole square. So amount equal 625 into 26 into 26 upon 25 into 25. Because number of years are 2, so we are calculating it 2 times. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11 12. We are left with 2. So 5 5s are 25 and 25 cancelled by 25. So we will calculate it 26 into 26, that is 26 into 26, 6 6 are 36, 6 to the 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 2s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 5, 6, 7 and 6. So 676 is your amount. If in the question it is asked that calculate the compound interest also, then you all know the formula of the compound interest, that is final amount minus original principal. Final amount is 676, original principal is 625. So 625. So here we have to subtract this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is 5. Here we are with 51 rupees. So this is your compound interest and the amount is 676. I hope this question is clear to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more latest updates. Thank you for watching.